Video 8, post-installation services and info. Lastly, now that we've covered the basics, here's information about our post-installation services. Many of the systems GFE installs can be expanded or modified depending on the initial design. Should you decide on adding more solar panels or batteries to your system, or would like to upgrade your main electric panel to a span, you can easily submit a service request through our website by submitting a ticket. Once we've received your request, a GFE representative will contact you to go over the details and will provide an estimate for any additional work sought. We offer a number of post-installation services, including solar panel cleaning, system health checks, storm damage inspections for both roof and panels, along with other technical services to ensure your system is working optimally. If you have a Tesla system and you're experiencing glitches on the app, please contact their customer technical support by phone 888-765-2489 or by email powerwallsupportna@tesla.com. Solar inverter energy customer support at tesla.com. For other systems, reach out to our team and we'll provide you the best contact information. GFE is not responsible for manufacturer communication issues such as software glitches or updates. We can certainly support as needed for a minimal charge. Feel free to reach out for a quote for any of these services. In the description of this video, you'll find links to our owner's manual, which provides a great resource for you to download, save, and print out. Also links to our website and service request ticket reform. We've also provided a link to the Texas Power Guide for solar buyback plans. It is a great resource for solar buyback options to keep in your back pocket if you're in the Encore or Centerpoint areas. If you'd like recommendations on which solar buyback plans to choose from, you can also submit a ticket by using the link below in the video description, requesting a virtual consultation for a one-on-one appointment to go over options. Thank you for choosing to go solar with Good Faith Energy. Welcome to the solar family and being a part of a community that values energy independence while providing for a better future. Please like and subscribe to our channel for exciting electrification updates. This is Franz Sanchez signing out. Peace.